What we doing, Jerry?
Well, we were over here at Fuel Tech today, and Proline is right across the street. So we decided we would back the car up a little bit and pull all the injectors out. They got a cleaner in there. So we're going to take all the injectors in and have them all clean, get this thing ready for street racing, pick us up some spare rods, pay a bill I got here, and just spend some money, I guess.
All that money that you got, you're spending it?
Yeah, I mean, people think I got a lot of money, but we spend as much or more than we make. So, I mean, it is what it is. At least I'm not hanging in garage doors today. I really do. It's pretty cheap to have the injectors clean, and we're right here. It took us what, 10 minutes to take them out.
Yep.
No, just the motor that's going in the new car, they're all fresh and clean in it. And these have been in here a while, so while we're here, we're going to check it out. Of course, Lewis at Fuel Tech, he's wanting me to run their injectors, so we'll see what happens with that. But for now, we're going to clean what we got and make sure everything on this car is ready for America's Top 20 and we don't roll up and have any trouble.
This, for the smaller injectors, like for like a regular car, the big one that Fuel Tech has is next door, and they can actually flow and test these all the way. What we normally do is just flow them and click them and make sure they flow the way they're supposed to, and their pattern is flowing the right way, and they're not stuck open or something like that. Especially the ones with the methanol, the methanol is real corrosive, so it'll stick these injectors open where they won't work right. floating at least before. These things pulse off of different than everything else.
Injectors all checked out good. All new O-rings on them. Put these babies back in and let her eat. No problem is a good problem.